Alright, right now it does say Dungeon Dragon Secrets of Waters at 10 minutes.
In the heart of the Forgotten Realms lies the grand city of Waterdeep. We stand as proud members of the Harpers, guardians of justice sworn to oppose dark forces. Within your Harpers group, 4 classes stand ready for action. Rogues, who strike from the shadows. Clerics, who wield divine flames. Fighters, who excel in battle strategy. Wizards, who are book-smart spellcasters. Our journey begins at the Curious Past, a shop filled with artifacts and mystery. Your journey begins now. Step forward, adventurers. Waterdeep is counting on you.
You're late, and here I am, long lay star shadow, far too patient for my own good. We don't have much time. Now, where did I hide the quest details? Oh, I wouldn't worry about that. She is gorgeous, though. Only the skilled can awaken the magic ore. You, wizard, gently touch it and check if it answers you. Oh. You have quite the ability. Xanathar, the evil crying lord, once again seeks to destroy the city of Waterdeep, this time with the dragon staff of Agarad. He has aligned with the powerful red dragon Sargon to remove the dragon wall barrier that prevents dragons from entering the city of Waterdeep. You, along with Throkery and Evelina, leaders of the local harbours, must steal back the dragon staff from Xanathar. They'll be along shortly. Well, now, turn it off. I've got it. Your mission is clear. Find your fellow harbour leaders, steal back the dragon staff, and save Waterdeep.
Yeah!
Such enthusiasm. Now Throkery and Evelina are right on time.
Somebody order a hero?
Bye.
Bye-bye.
For now.
Oh, look at her. Ooh, she's very tall with horns.
Excellent. Strong fighters on my side. We're here on a mission. You are a fighter as well?
Yes.
Excellent. Seems like a good team. All right, we are here on a mission. We're here to find the rod of absorption. Although I must say, this room doesn't look too promising.
I know, they got some good fighters over on this side, I can already tell.
No.
Yeah, right? Look at those arms.
Great. But the boxes, dusty old boxes. What is it?
Looks like he got his shirt half off because it was less fabric. Alright, have you found that rod of absorption yet? No,
I don't see it anywhere.
Alright.
Where is it?
Because the dragon staff is far too powerful. Without it, but the stone, it comes trash.
Yeah!
Indeed. What? He threw out. That and this juice that can wake the dead.
Ah, wake the dead juice. Okay. Alright, adventurers, our bad guy, Xanathar, is a real vain and insecure diva.
Sounds familiar.
When we find him, we may need your help insulting him with a vicious mockery spell. Goes like this, watch it.
I need to find some
a terrible fish lover. Now you try. Insult him. Use your voice. Whoa, okay.
Great! I felt it! I felt the right absorption!
Oh!
Look out!
The Dragon Ward no longer protects your city.
Everything's magic, Evie.
Just the stick!
Oh!
Waterdeep will burn and all of your treasure will now be mine.
What are you writing about now?
I think we're gonna have to do what we're not supposed to, and that's split the party.
What? Split? You never split the group up! He's already on what?
Let's go with her. I trust her.
Xanathar is the bad guy. He's the bad guy.
I trust her. She has horns.
You gotta trust someone with horns.
Be on the lookout for any ways to get out of here.
Dragon and now a dungeon.
It's like...
Oh, well, that definitely got heated.
Don't encourage him. It's not a stick. I think it's the wand of lightning bolts.
Probably
Okay.
gonna steal this too.
I wasn't...
Why is there a puzzle here, Evie?
That's how we get out of here. Solve the puzzle and the doors will open.
Yes.
You're welcome.
Now I got a better idea. My cleric's over here. Can you go ahead and give us some dancing lights? I'll give you some bardic inspiration. Yeah. Look, Evie, life-saving trinkets.
Oh, rope up, Rob.
And 5-6.
Wait, there's another one. Look, both doors. They both have Xanathar's signal on them.
I think you
All right,
might be
I
right.
think he's nearby.
My fighter's over here. Are you detecting any dangerous creatures nearby? Anything? Not in the mood for any more mimic surprises. It's time for a thunder wave!
Nice one, Rob. All right, let's get out of here, guys. Help him out with the puzzle.
Oh, okay, let's see. Shout out. Use your wand or something. That looks like it's
We are
clear.
kind of in a rush here.
I'm colorblind, so I don't know why I'm doing this
That's
part.
green.
All right, let's see.
I'm pretty sure he's colorblind.
Something is happening. I have solved the puzzle to Xanathar's lair.
Yeah.
It's crazy how much you are.
It's the dragon staff, everybody. What we've been looking for. Xanathar's not here.
He's the rightful owner of the Dragon Staff. But don't worry, I'll make sure your deaths are quick. Think you can steal from Xanathar and live to tell the tale? It's time to take a deep, permanent sleep.
Quick, vicious mockery! Insult Xanathar!
My Silva, I'll protect you.
No, there's gotta be some.
Bring the slime balls.
Light! Portal! Yes!
To the portal! To the portal. To the portal. Hey, what are you looking at? Poke your eye out.
Is everybody okay? Alright, well, some wake the dead juice, huh?
Do it.
See how it goes. Let's wake up the dead.
Spicy! Did we do it?
Yeah, dragon staff's in my bag, and that wand actually might be magic.
Foolish mockery and evil leader. Did you really think you did this yourselves? It was I, lovely Star Shadow.
Whoa! This thing is alive!
Nothing can stop me now.
Light her up, BB.
Welcome to the cult of the dragon.
Hey, alright! The wand of lightning bolt says yay!
We got the dragon staff. Waterdeep is saved. Our mission is complete. Evie has friends. I am speechless.
Speechless, you what?
Alright, adventurers. We'll secure these items. You head to the First Roll Tavern. Until next time, our Harper friends! Fantastic.
We won! We won!
We defeated her.
She's dead!